makes us strong each week. One new word, then two, then three. English helps me be me. From hello friend to thank you please, we learn